Well, today I'm going to show you my JLB cheater Triple 101 and my what's that that one over there is wltoy a979-b. Yeah, well, you can see that upside down. Well, but first thing first, I'm a rookie on RC, so like for the future video, just don't laugh at me or something. If I did something wrong, just probably let me know, cause I really wanted to know, but I'm hardly online anyway. Probably just post up the video, cause I find this interesting. That's why I want to post it up. Why do I post this up? Well, first it was supposed to be the cheater for today, but I was thinking maybe I saw my wltoy too, because I was doing the same thing on the bottom of it too, because I have the same problem on that one. But this is one I wanted to show at the beginning when I want to make this video. So what happened here is, you can see, you probably think what is that? Well, that is epoxy. Well, I saw someone did this on the RC on the metal chassis so that they won't scratch it or something. But the reasons I put this on this JLB, well, this is a JLB 33301 that I bought from Banggood. What happened is maybe this is defects. I don't know, when it come out of the factory or something, it was like this. Or the screw, let me get a close up so if you can see it or not, I don't know, but the screw is sticking out. I try one of them to screw it back down, but it don't go. It just stop right there, right above the metal piece. So I don't want to strip the screw, right? So I stopped screwing them then. Right, I stopped screwing them because I don't want to strip the screw or the thread or whatever. So what I did is I saw people doing this to the metal chassis, or well, you can do it on the plastic one too. I did that on the toy a979, I think, B. Yep. Yeah, let's go back to this cheater. So I did some epoxy on, I put some epoxy onto it. Yeah, it's weird. I'm just trying this out at the beginning, and I found this work, but it's a little bit stinky for a week or something. Cause well, you have to do this in an open area, like my garage, so that I can I let the air out, because this is quite stinky. It's kind of chemical that have the smell or something, but it worked. I did put a second layer on there. You can see the first layer, you can see the metal part right here. That is the first, and then I was doing this this time it was this, I put a second layer on some of the part that I think that they are going to be a little bit more scratching, because I saw some scratch on them, and even here you can see that is I don't know if you can see it, there's some white stuff, those are scratch. But yeah, you can redo it like me, do a second time, second layer, third layer, whatever. Well, depends, but on the first run on this JLB, it seems fine. Not much come off, like those epoxy really hold up. So that's why I want to have this video and show you guys what I have used. Not quite expensive, but it's very strong. Is this JLB? Yeah, I know it's a glue, but it work anyway. So it bonds stuff, but it also bond and create a kind of like plastic stuff, like gel. It's a gel, right? It's a gel. So after it dries, it becomes solid. So they have a kind of a smell for a week or so. So I just put it in my garage. Yeah, that worked. Next time if I go out, I will show you like if I go out with the cheetah, and after I fix everything and have the cheetah out again. And it's pretty strong. I was abusing it, like doing stunt that maybe a lot of people think that like you break your RC, they are not going to do it. I did them. I don't care, because I'm trying to test the durability of this truck. But somehow you can see the front end is gone. I take it apart. What happened is my second run with this cheetah, I was crazy. I do like trying to do black flip with this JLB cheetah. This cheetah you can do it. Depends like what battery you're using. Depends on the condition and what kind of roll or whatever you're in, like you're on. Okay, that's why I break. Well, it's not a dry shaft, It's this piece right here. This is, you see this thing right here, these two things that's moving? That is supposed to be a bearing that hold the dry shaft, like at the front end, right here, I think. Yeah, that's where the dry shaft go on this hole right here, and the two bearing is on the diff case. Right, both are inside the diff case, like squeezing by two, like half of it. Well, the diff case, yeah, is inside the diff case, and somehow, the bearing just explode in there and make a mess inside my diff, because I was doing crazy stuff, dumb stuff or something, right? And it exploded, and now there's only this piece. But I did order about 2 or 3 of them at Banggood, because if I I like to do stunt, and if this keep going on, then I need this part right anyway. And what happened is it's not really about what I did to my car too, right? This part is tilted downward, not straight, right, in the truck. So it's like on an angle. So when it spin, you know what will happen. When you spin, it will have some force on those bearings. So that's why this bearing broke, and I probably give it too much punch or something. I don't know what happened, but if it is straight like this, and it's not crooked like this, and drive the dry shaft like this way, if it won't have any problem with the bearing, because it's not squeezing the bearing. But if you have an angle, and if you have your dry shaft straight like this way, and it's going up this way, and turn this thing this way, like upward, I think this bearing will have a lot of stretch. So that's why I broke this. That's why I have to take off the front at the second run, second time that I bring this out. And it also screw up the gear. Screw up the gear, this piece. But when you buy it, I buy my cheetah on Banggood, right? So that's why I go back to Banggood and buy the parts. This is cheap. right? So I bought a whole piece. This one will come with that that piece that I just showed you. They will be all one piece. So it's, well, I don't remember. It's all I know is it's less than $15. Well, maybe I think 11 something. I don't remember, but it's very cheap for the whole piece. It's one piece. Like this gear and that dry shaft cup together is one piece. So, yeah. So okay, forget about that. Anyway, yeah, that's done. And the cheetah is done. Like, you know what happened to my cheetah. You know what I did to my cheetah right now. So let's go on to this wltoys. So the reasons I was doing, like, I bring it out here and trying to do the epoxy to it is, you know, a lot of people have this car or this chuggy. They know that they have problems squashing on the bottom. You can see that. Right, I put a middle one on there. You can see that it's all scratch, and it's like I only own this for what, half month, and you can see that when I try to put a screwdriver into those screws, I hardly can get them out already. So I was trying to figure out what should I do, even the front and the back, because they're too low. This chuggy is too low. So when it I jump with this, right, and when it land or when it go to curve or something, when it hit the curve, when it land, it probably scratch off the front bit right here and the back end right here. So, and then I was thinking, oh, okay, I'm doing the cheetah right now with the epoxy. So why do I bring it out and use the epoxy to do this too? And well, I do them together because I was thinking to do that at that time, and at the end, I have that too. That will work because that work on that cheetah, on that metal, and the one like the what's that? The JB well is good. Like it's okay on plastic too. Yeah, so it will stick on there for sure. I probably will put some more on it. I don't know yet, because you can see some screw is already scratched up right here too, and the other one is okay because they're in place into the hole, right? But this one is sticking out. You can see, yeah. So I will probably put some more in the metal or something. I don't know yet, but this is good enough because I want to. The front and the back is the worst, right? Because this chuggy, I don't know. I don't have the other wheel. I cannot sew you on the ground. I take that out because I also want to show you another thing. Yeah, I will show you next time how low this is. But if you saw the other people's video, you know how low this is. This is very low. So that will work for sure. Okay, let's talk about how come I take my wheel off on this side. You can see it's missing one wheel. It's missing one. Right? Cause it's cracking. Like I said, I only own this about 1 month or so or something. I don't know, maybe more, a little bit more than a month. And the wheel keep cracking, all of them. I don't know if I tied it too tight. One time I didn't tie it too tight, and one of the wheel comes off. But when I tied it too tight, that's what happened. It cracked, right? It cracked. So what happened is I'm thinking about epoxy, putting those epoxy into this wheel. Well, on the, not on the hex, but on the outside edge of the circle over there. Right, you can see the crack over there. Right, I'll put it around there to see if it really will hold that. Right, because I already buy one set of rear tire already. This is new. See, this is new, and I think one of them is already cracking. I think it's this one. I don't know. You might not be able to see the crack. You can see this tiny little bit right there. I cannot point it to you because I'm holding on to my wltoy. Yeah, a979. So you can. I hope you can see that crack over there. It's new. I just put it in and paid with this chuck one time, and it cracked already. So that's why I want to either put this epoxy or I'll put hot glue. Well, I don't have hot glue down here right now, but I'm still thinking. Should I use epoxy or hot glue? I put it up there somewhere. Yeah, hot glue, because hot glue will work too. Because what happened is before I have a body that I use. Well, that's why I put it on this cheetah too. Yeah, it's a cheetah body, and this is hot glue. That is the second time I bring it out. Like I said, I was driving it like crazy, like doing a lot of stupid stuff that people think that it will break that, but they're not doing it, but I'm doing it. I'll show you guys those stupid stuff that this car can do, or dumb stuff that this car can do. See, these are all hot glue. I use my hot glue heat gun to put this in. I didn't totally put it on there because I was in a hurry to play with my new truck. That's why it's like this. But I'm going to toughen this part up, you know, the top part, you know, why that part. I will show you why. Here we go. Because I was beating this up so bad, especially it always do wheelie and come down like this. Come down this way and slide, right? And I don't care. I just keep it slide, and then I hold the throttle and let it self-ride again and go back, or it turn and self-ride back to two-wheel. So that's why. Let me show you what happened here. Big crap. And line right here. No, you probably can see it. I can see it already. So I think you guys probably see it. See the line? Oh, it's better on this side. See, big crap. Right. Even I put those hot glue. I didn't put it all the way in. You can see those. Oh yeah, you can see that those square thing. You're probably wondering what that is. Those are for drywall tape. You make it more stronger with whatever you put on hot glue, and I put those silicone glue on there on my other body before it worked too, but silicone glue is quite heavy, right? And also wow, those are cheap because you have a lot to squeeze, but hot glue I'm not going to put that much because it's quite a small amount, right, that you can buy. And I'm just trying to toughen the weak point, right? You see, those are the weak point of the cheetah right now that I find, especially the top right here. This is the weak point. If you're going to do a lot of stunt or you're going to flip a lot, yeah, you better be careful about the top, right? You can that size, it don't look so bad, but this side is very bad. It's already cracked through half of this side. So only second time that I bring it out is like this already. It's not that this cover is strong. It's just me. I've been driving like crazy. I flip this truck a lot, and when it flip, I just want to self-ride it. Well, before it slow down, so that if it slow down, I cannot self-ride it anymore. So that's why the body is like this. That's why I break that diff, gear, whatever. I don't know where it is, but you know where. You know what? I showed you before, right? That's why I will fix that out. Okay. So that's all I want to show you guys is sorry. All this, the cheater, diff gear, the body, and also this wltoy a979-b. Oh yeah, one more thing before I go is this thing. Hey, take a look. This is the wltoy a979-b. Besides the wheel, if you really want to buy a small truck that can jump, hey, I can tell you this. This is a beast. I have a ram. See that ram over there? I don't know if you can see that ram. I jump it on there. It can do flip in the air, front and back. This thing, just this tiny little thing, 18 scale. It can jump. Oh yeah, and I'll fix this body too. This body is quite beat up. So anyway, yeah, I've been having this for 2 months already, and I've been using it a lot because I want to practice my jump. Like I said, I'm a rookie. I need to practice my jump because I don't know how to jump yet. But yeah, I want to jump because I like the way that the chuggy jump and flip and turn or whatever. So this is a practice car. If you really want it, it really can flip the car. Even I can do wheelie on the ground a lot, right? So I can refer this. I bought this at Banggood. Well, I didn't bought this at Banggood. I bought this on Amazon because there's a guy there who sell it cheaper at that time. But you can buy this at Banggood, right? This is the fastest one. Well, the fast one, not fastest, but fast one, right? The bigger motor one. Yeah, and I modify it a little bit. Yeah, and even the cheetah too. I bought the cheetah on Banggood, from Banggood. Yeah, because I was listening to someone on YouTube too, and I was trying to learn something from a lot of people on YouTube about RC, and I bumped into one of the people. I don't know, should I mention their name right now, but maybe later on. And he's like a superstar to me, you know, like he's my star, you know, because he always like to jump his vehicle. He kill his vehicle every time he go out. He brush his RC like crazy. I like it. I want to do those too, but I'm not that good yet. But yeah, because of him, I went to Banggood, bought this chuggy, and like I said, I tell some people, this is a stunt truck, not like the 21101 that has the wheelie bar and the wing. It cannot do a lot of stunt, but this one, because of the wheelie bar is adjust to upward like this, and you can see some other people's video. You can see when you do wheelie, it just go touching the ground straight up. If you do a little bit more, you flip the truck. So you still can do wheelie on this if you can hold it, but if you press it too much, it will flip for sure. So that's why this is a stunt truck, right? To a lot of people, they think this truck sucks because it cannot do speed run, but to me this is a stunt truck because they didn't put the wing on there on purpose. Because what's the point of having a stunt truck that have a wing that is in the way, right? I know the Armor has it, but hey, this car only take 4S, right? Wow, I did purchase something different and make like, because this is not ready to run. I purchased this at a Banggood. That is no electronic, so I have to install my electronic because I transfer my old parts onto this. So that's why it look a little bit different. But yeah, I did order the JLB J3 speed. It's coming, and if like on Banggood, same thing, same place. And when it arrives, I will show you the difference where without the electronic, and this one with the electronic, because I put it in there. But when I first bought it, it will be like that one, the J3 that is coming. So I will show you guys, because a lot of people have confusion about what is with no electronic at Banggood, like those one that they said no electronic, like those RC, like especially this JLB shooter. I saw one person that was saying what is in crew or something, I don't remember. But yep, when that J3 arrived, I will show you guys what is in the box. Now this one, I don't think you can see what is mine, what is from Banggood anyway, right, on this one. So yep, I will show you on the next video when the J3 speed arrive, or the next one. I don't know when it will arrive, but I will show you guys, yeah, what no electronic is like when you purchase a JLB shooter and at Banggood. Okay guys, that's it for today. I have to finish up whatever that I'm doing right now and go to sleep. It's late. Okay, bye now.